Should Protect new product in from Ulike, and it's something different. So I'm going to show you first and give you a look at the website to give you an idea of what we're dealing with this time around. So I'm just going to unbox, which is in a nice package. Right, so it's the IPL Hair Removal Device, and we're seeing this a slide or sleeve, which it is. That's on one side, and we've got another box inside with a magnetic closure, and look at the texture on the box there, really nice. So we open up like this. We've got 1, 2, 3. We've got lots of stuff inside, and that's it. It's all fixed, nothing underneath there. Right, so in here we have got a little box with which looks like a razor inside. We have got a bag to carry it in, and we also have in here glasses. Pretty cool. So you will obviously need glasses if you're using laser, and that's pretty much it in there. And of course you've got a power lead here. This is the stand for charging. Pretty nice. Rubber feet in the bottom, so it's not going to move around. And I'm just going to pop that back in there. Pop that in there. You've got kind of a cloth here. And in here is your user guide. So just pop them aside for a sec. Back in there for the time being. And we'll move this over here and have a look at the actual unit itself. So it looks like a power bank or a speaker from a technical point of view, and that's it there. So you've got a button here, and you can see you've got, this is where the laser light will obviously pop out at the end. Power here, and your on and off switch here, and a fan here. And it looks like a fan as well for cooling. So that's pretty much that there. Let's have a bit more of a look of what this company does. Okay, so this is the product here, and just give you a general idea of what's going on. You see in the unboxing there, you get a razor there, your sunglasses, your charger and so on. You get results in a couple of weeks. Nearly painless with Sapphire Ice-Cooling, works wherever hair grows. 5 intensity levels. So one device, full smooth body, 5 intensity levels, 5 modes, face, arms, underarms, legs and bikini line. No burn pain, sounds cool. 12-minute sessions. And you've got 90% hair reduction after 4 weeks. So you can see the before photographs there, and you need to check if it's okay for you with skin tones and hair colour and so on. And how IPL works: light emission, targeting melanin, and heat disables hair follicle. Not salon prices, so if you're going to go and get these things done professionally, that's what's going to cost you. And 7 million trusted users, which is quite a statement, and a bit of information there if you can use these products. So we're going to set it up and give it a go myself or someone else in the house and see how it goes. But yeah, as I said, something different, but something very nice, and looks like it could save you a lot of money, and it's portable, and men can use them too. So we get to the products. You've got a Ulike Air Glow, an Air 10 and Air 3. The one we have is the Air 2. So the Air 3 is this one here, and you can see there what's going on. You've got women, and I did see a bloke among them with the legs. So I'm just going back onto this Air 10. different shape again. So again, you've got underarms and all that kind of stuff there. Different models, obviously, and basically what they can do. So there's something kind of for everybody there. But yeah, that's pretty much what you're going to be getting there, and what to expect. So we'll have a cycle through these here. You can see, do your lips or under your nose and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, get smooth, full body smooth. Yeah, so stay tuned after break for more when we get it tested and have a go and see what it's all about, and we'll show you then.